Yeah, can you please move over to the page which says Route 42 for the company? This is a startup who could not make
Good
it
morning
physically.
everyone at
So we are
IW.
trying a
This is
video. We
Raghuram
don't want to
here,
deny them an
founder of Route
opportunity.
42 Labs, and I'm here to present Sidekick, our TV companion app. This is the problem that we are looking to solve. The current way of finding out television content is universal. It doesn't differentiate between you watching and me watching it. Also, there are several apps and websites for the same purpose, but they do not give any connectivity to the television. Both are completely disconnected. Also, if you like to engage with certain program or show that you are watching, then you have several other ways like downloading other apps and visiting some other websites to do. Sidekick is primarily a TV guide. So you find out what all are happening on various channels. You can browse through the categories and time and find out what all are happening. It also doubles up as a remote. So you find out your favorite show is going on Starboard. You click on it. It acts as a remote and switches channel on your television. It also provides a personalized experience for you. It understands the user viewing patterns and provides personalized recommendations. So how we will make money? There are two ways of making money. So we give this as a platform for the TV show producers to use it as a platform for delivering engagement. Also, since we know what users are watching, we have a lot of metrics that will be used for me. Following are the some of the ways engagement can be delivered to the customers. So engagement can be knowing more about the show, voting, contests, or maybe booking a test drive, etc., etc. Currently, most of the media planning activities are driven through TAM matrix, which is about 12,000 sample size. Since we have a low-cost solution and will be able to cover a much larger sample, we can be able to provide a much reliable metric for media planning activities. This is a revenue snapshot that we projected for the 18 month from the launch. So we have our revenues from the media planning activities and program engagement. I'm an electronics graduate from NIT Surat, 2008 batch. I worked for 4 years. Most of the time I spent in startups in software development and product management. Currently, I'm a second year student at Indian Institute of Management, Rohtak. Mr. Arvind Jha of Mohico Technologies, Gurgaon is currently acting on the advisory board. We are also part of VC Circle Mobile Forum Top 5 in Delhi. We are also on NDTV Profit, Next Big Online Idea sometime in. Thank you, everyone.
That was Route 42 Labs. Okay, we are done with all the commercial enterprises. Please put your hands together for all the participants.